This 2004 Bentley Arnage is brought to you by Auto Gallery, Chicago. Bentley Arnage 6.8 LV8 engine, automatic transmission, premium sound package, wood veneer interior, trim, front parking assist, rear parking assist, 6-disc CD changer, power sliding moonroof, power rear trunk opener, keyless entry, heated front seats, sheeted exterior mirrors, power windows. Bentley Arnage wheels, black sapphire pearl exterior, tan leather interior, 2 sets of keys, owners manual, original Bentley Arnage lambs wool, skin floor mats, 2 Bentley umbrellas. Please feel free to call us at 630-628-1400 with any questions you might have, or ask us for detail walk around. We hope you are next satisfied. Online buyer at Auto Gallery, Chicago. We strive to provide you with the best quality vehicles for the lowest possible price, and this 2004 Bentley Arnage is no exception. We provide low-cost worldwide shipping directly to your chosen destination. Although Auto Gallery, Chicago prides itself on accuracy in our descriptions and pricing, on occasion, mistakes can happen. Please verify all descriptions and pricing. And visit us at AutoGalleryChicago.com.